are prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, we are going to talk about energy distribution in a trending market on the Forex synthetic trading. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to refer this channel to your network so that YouTube push us to very high level of audience. If you have been losing money trading and you already know that you have been losing money trading, you lack few things. Number one, you don't have proper education and mentorship or the right courses and resources. Or number two, you have been trading wrong signals. You need a signal that you win all the time. No loss, 100% win rate. And so right now, reposition yourself, prioritize what is very, very crucial for you to succeed. And what it is this: you should actually subscribe for our VIP signals and enroll for courses and mentorship. Anything you do matters. Any of them courses you can do, mentorship you can do, VIP signals you can actually apply for these things. Right here, energy distribution. Okay, I'm gonna give small illustration. Then we push ahead to the chart. It's in the chart, a lot of traders are interacting, buyers and sellers. There are infinite buyers and infinite sellers, but they are not exactly equal, and that is what creates demand and supply. When the buyers are more than the sellers, we have demand and the market buys. And when the sellers are more than the buyers, we have supply and the market sells. Well, what I'm trying to talk about here is energy distribution. The main terms here are energy distribution and trending market. Okay. Now, the energy, in a physical science, energy or what you call work is measured as or is a function of force and what distance. Okay, but right here we cannot be analyzing energy with respect to this formula, which I will be considering energy by measuring the mind stress. We call it mind stress. When you place a trade, okay, the level of anxiety, the measure of the anxiety, the measure of the stress, the measure of the instability in your psychology, the way you behave, the way you act, the measure of your societal characteristics. All these things help to measure your energy distribution. It helps to measure, yes, it measures the energy distribution. When you place a trade and you suddenly feel angry, you suddenly feel lonely, and you don't want to talk to people, you have a meeting, but because you saw that this trade is already bleeding in red and deep losses, maybe you're losing a couple of $1,000 or more, $10,000 or more, and then you feel like you are down, you are upset, and you cannot be able to make a move for that event. We can now say that the stress is too much, so the energy distribution is working against you, because it takes energy for you to make profit. So when you trade against the big energies, you lose money. When you trade in the direction of the big energy, they help you make money freely, and then you feel energized, you feel proud, you want to actually go that meeting and be the happiest because you know that your money is working for you. You are making money even while in the meeting because you follow the maximum energy, you follow this dominant energy. Okay, but that's good. And right now, we are going to bring the issue of trend. On market trend, it follows some sort of complex, in most cases, it follows arbitrary trajectories and geometry. So when I use the word arbitrary, most time it might be so complicated, it might be medium complicated, it might be simple geometries and trajectories. Okay, because since these trajectories and geometries are variable, it makes the energy distribution analysis completed. But in this video, I'm going to actually deploy my own idea to simplify this issue so that you can be able to actually join the trend. Even when you miss the trend, you can actually join the trend and get some money from it before the trend changes. So let's define some arbitrary paths taken by a trading market. So we have a market that take this arbitrary path. Okay, so this market on average leave this point and is currently at this spot. Okay, now there are two types of energy in a distributive system in the market. When we use the word distribution, it means that the energy are shared. There are participants in the market that have the biggest energy, while there are ones that have low energy, while there are ones that are a group of traders that have neutral energy, that group of traders that actually have their energy level is just so small, and that are actually present in the market. They could be making small profit, they could be making massive losses, they could be making massive profit, and all of that. These are distributions right here. So in a trading market, you have this path like this. The trend is up, so this is our vector diagram, up. So this part that goes against the trend, since this is pointing positive, our trend is on the positive direction. Okay, this part that try to point against or try to slope against our trend slope, the slope of our trend, is called trap energy distribution or low energy distribution. So we have many of them. Yeah, it's not based on the length of the movement, it's based on direction, right? Yes, the length doesn't actually pay. What pays is direction. Okay, even if the length is small but you predicted the right direction, you're going to make massive profit on the big lot sizes, right? And so there are components of price that follow the trend. It's called the high end, the maximum energy distribution, or the two direction. Okay, so as a trader, what you need to do is to look for where the maximum energy distributors take trade. Try to use an element to map where they take trade. There are a lot of elements you can use. You can use trend line, support and resistance to map where they take trade. If price approach there, you don't need to fear. Just take the trade. In a small possible amount of time, the trend will go in your direction. The market will go in your favor, right? So here, I can wait for price to pull back and then I'll continue the trend. So that's cool. Okay, today is Monday and the Forex market has opened. This is USD trading at 2,997. Almost 30 pips to hit 3,000. Price again, just 30 pips to hit 3,000. And this is crazy. Now this is the 2 million of energy distribution. You see that some of these trap energy used to bring induce fears in trader. When the market deep down like this, you feel like it will change trend, right? When the market deep down like this, you feel like it will change trend, right? Now just measure the strength of the know who is the biggest energy distributor. When you know that, measure the length from source to the destination. Measure that length is very crucial. So we have from here to there is around 170 points, which is over 2,700 pips. Now, any pullback, any trap energy whose length is less than this length within the vicinity of analysis is not going to be treated as a change of trend. Okay, just look for good structure and continue the biggest energy distributor. Join the biggest energy distributor. So I can see right here the market is failing to break this level, or as price approach this line, there is high probability of buys. And so when we reach here, we'll have this wave from this source to here, and this is over 490 points. So we have this pullback. This doesn't mean the market have changed trend. No, it's not possible like that. But this is less than the previous move, and so what you need is key structures. You can enter market here. You can enter market here. You just look for setups. You can map this. You can still enter this market as price approach this trend line. I'm not teaching you risk management, stop loss, TP, and whatever. This is what I mean by energy distribution in a trend market. Don't spend your energy trading the low energy side of the market, like trying to sell or trying to force sell or trying to look for sell. Nah. Rather go for long-term trade, following the trend. Be a positioner or swing trader is more better, because if you enter this trade with a $50 account here, as the market break level in this part, especially when it break out of this session and push up and then clear this, you can pile up more positions, or even as it's going along this path and breaking level, because when they break this level, they don't return back, right? So as you break here, you can pull back, you add more position. Let's break here and pull back, you add more position. Let's break here and pull back, add more position. But you need to manage risk by trading your assets to entries immediately the market actually break a new level, right? And this is not what I'm teaching here. So I just give you an instant of risk management, but I'm not teaching risk. I'm talking about energy distributions. So if you have been losing money and you feel like you are tired of losing money, try to go for courses and mentor. There is this course that is still making a way and giving a lot of people financial freedom. We just launched this course recently, and the name of the course is 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒉. The name of the course is 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒉. I've been advertising this course to help a lot of traders. I don't know what is wrong. Some traders they feel redundant to get this course and deploy it. In that course, we see a lot of things, especially seasons, sniper entries, flipping, account flipping, no loss strategies. You will see them in the 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒉 course. Try to get the course. Currently, it's running on $500, but soon the cost of getting this course can go as high or more than $1,000. Imagine something that will help you to take a $10 to infinite amount, like 10,000 or whatever. How do you feel? Just get that right trade and the money becomes yours. The Forex market is infinite money pool, and why should you take it for granted? So get everything right, get the course, get the tools, be active, and stop being obese boy all the time. Stop being the same thing all the time. Have a change of level. Stop losing. No, start winning. Right? Thank you and bye for now.
If you're prepared to break the silence.